Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Vatsalyam. So today we'll be seeing how the coming week 11th to 17th of October is going to be for all of you. You will see a clipping after this where you can choose your options and go straight to your reading. The timestamps are in the description box and I shall see you at the reading. Before we begin the reading, just a small request. If you like the content, if my readings resonate with you, please leave a like, please leave a comment, and if you feel that my readings can help anybody, please feel free to share my videos with them so that they can get some guidance and positivity. Help my channel grow, and if you want to follow me on Instagram, the link is in the description box. Now we'll see what are the options and I shall meet you at your reading. So here are your three options, three shells. See which shell attracts you the most. That is going to be your group. And the timestamps are in the description box. I shall meet you at your reading now. Thank you. Hello, and if you've chosen this shell, so this is your reading group 1. So let us see how the week is going to be for you. So the week is going to demand creating a balance in your life so that you are able to connect to yourself more, you're able to stay more calm, more peaceful. For this, you can meditate this week. It will help you to balance your energies, your anxieties, your restlessness. Meditation is going to be of importance for you. The power of Om chanting will also help you. If you can't chant Om, you can always listen to the audio. Close your eyes and just feel the power of that one word, that vibration, that positivity that comes into your life, into your body, into your mind. That is going to be of importance. The week is also suggesting you to control your anger. If there is an anger issue, things that are almost going to get better can get spoiled, So anger as it is not going to help anybody. So control your anger this week. Also, the week is suggesting you to respect all that is around you. People, animals, plants, nurture them. Be polite with them. Be loving towards them. Help them if you can. Feed them if you can. And surrender all your worries to Divine so that you have a good week ahead. Now let's see what the tarot cards are telling us. So here I can see some of you are going to begin learning something new. Maybe you will join a new course, maybe upgrade your knowledge with some workshops, with reading books, something that will enhance your knowledge. So some of you are going to start that. There are changes you can expect in this week regarding changes at workplace, changing in your home as well. Shifting can happen for some of you. There can also be changes in the environment that you'll face this week, or there can changes be in your body. So changes are going to happen this week. So stay tuned for those changes. I can see changes happening in your finances as well. Money is going to grow this week. Some of you will be able to create a balance in where you are sharing your money, where you are donating your money. So you will create a balance in that, in your give and take energies. Maybe some of you who are in need of financial help will get that financial help, and some of you will do donations or help people who really need it. I can also see that some of you are caught in your past till now, and that past is going to haunt you this week. You might feel restless, you might feel anxious, you might have sleepless nights because of that past. Whatever incidents have happened, whatever episode has happened, it will haunt you. Maybe there were people who were talking too many things against you that you have not been able to overcome. But there is always a dilemma that you will face in this week. Should I take this step ahead or should I not? Should I do this? Should I not? So that dilemma can also be there for some. I can see gift exchange happening, reunion happening. So maybe you'll meet your family members or elders of your family. There can be exchange of gifts from your side, from their side. And strength will be required in this week. If there is a strength, if there is some change you want to bring in your own personality, in your lifestyle, you will need that strength. You need to overcome your fears. So strength will be required for you in this week. Success is coming for you. So if you are a health worker, the week can be busy for you. It can bring success for you. Success in money, success in relationships can be there. And if you are a veterinary doctor, the week can keep you busy. Major transformation is coming for you this week. So you have to see which aspect of your life is transforming. It can be a small belief that you felt has changed. Please notice those little details as well in the week. It will help you to grow as a person, to discover your own self, your own foundations this week. Let's see how is health going to be. So I can see that some of you will be multitasking, trying to balance work and home. Could be just, visit to hospital and coming back and dealing with everything. Anything of this sort can happen. Multitasking is there, so that can make you exhausted. That can make you feel tired, low in your energies. So it is advised to balance your work and rest. Drink water, eat healthy food, eat food that will give you instant energy, and take care of your energies this week. Balance yourself. As it is, the energy of the entire week is around balancing yourself. So you need to balance your energy. Knee issue can occur for some. I can see recovery happening for some of you. Maybe you've been suffering from some back issues, shoulder pain, head issues, headaches or something. You'll be recovering from them. This week, since you will feel that restlessness in your energies, you can have heaviness in your head, pain in your body which is unidentified without any reason, but that could be because of stress. You could have headaches. So be little calm, listen to Om chanting, meditate, drink water to balance your energies, calm them down. Let's see energy around your relationship. Okay, doors to romance. So for some of you, new love is coming into your life. And maybe this could be something that has triggered from the past. This week, a new relationship wants to come, but you are going back to your past because it was full of pain, hurt, deceit, dishonest, insensitive, anything of this sort that you have come out or are still trying to come out. But here universe is sending this proposal. Maybe this person is going to help you heal emotionally. So welcome this person into your life. Let's see how your work is going to be. Okay, so there are going to be new proposals coming in for partnership. New overflow of creative ideas and thoughts is going to be there. So inspirations can be witnessed this week. So all those who are related to creative fields, it's a good week for you to, have this inflow of creativity within you. New opportunities are coming your way this week. Let's see how is the week going to be for students. All tied up and patience. So here children are quite tied up with their routine of studying, where they are not able to get that me time. Maybe some exam is coming or they are going through an examination time. So something is keeping them very busy, and but here universe is asking them to take some break, sit with themselves, watch something over the television, distract their minds, go out in the fresh air, take out time for your family, do something that will energize you and just give you a break, so that whenever you sit again to study, you have a fresh mind to study and absorb all that you are studying. Second is patience. So here the universe is saying that some of you have just blocked your options. There is one option that you are focusing on, and you feel that only that option is going to bring happiness into your life. So here universe is saying there can be many other options. Don't block it. Be patient, be peaceful, be open, and be creative at this time so that you can enjoy the other options coming into your life. Let's see what is the advice for you for the week. Building blocks. So here, strong foundations are required. Beautiful work in progress is happening for you. You need to focus on the foundations that you want to build up. You, your personality, your relationships, your work, everything is defined by your ethics, by your foundation, by your morals, by your beliefs. You need to reflect on them. If you feel that you have, over the time, there is a change in your belief system, then revisit it. If you feel it doesn't serve you anymore, let it go. Don't be afraid to replace what is not solid, what is not serving you anymore. So strengthen your conviction and let go of things that are not serving you. And so the reading also says the entire thing is this. Let's see the affirmation for the week. My faith has the power to turn trauma into healing, conflict into growth, and fear into love. So maybe faith is something that you need to strengthen. Let it be the building block in your life for the week so that you can move ahead with this faith to turn everything that you want to in your favor. So the week is a promising week for success, for transformations, for building your foundations, opportunities, recovery, romance. I hope you make the best use of this week. Thank you. Hello, and if you've chosen this shell, group 2, this is going to be your reading for the coming week, 11th to 17th of October. So I feel this week is little heavy week. I can see heartbreak here. I can see overburden of work. I can see dealing with anxieties, emotions here. So draining of energies. So this week is going to be a little heavy week. The week will definitely help you to overcome your obstacles. But you need to gather your strength. You need to have your focus, determination, and need to take actions to overcome those obstacles. Some of you might get occasions to eat sweet things, and on the other aspect can be that some of you need to monitor what you are eating, how much quantity you are eating. So a check on your diet is required this week. Also, the week will require your focus on your senses. What is surrounding you? What are you tasting? What are you hearing? Are you being receptive enough? What are you seeing? What are you feeling? So be receptive, be observant about your surroundings, about your own self this week. This week is going to be majorly around, intuition. Your intuition is really going to help you. If you are able to connect to your intuition, it will really help you guide your path, and you can come out of your whatever issues, problems you are facing right now. The week is also around seeking guidance from people who are more matured, who are wiser, who've experienced life more than us, to take their guidance so that we are able to take the next step forward in our life. The week is going to be around forgiving yourself, forgiving others, forgiving you that pain, and to forgive yourself, to letting others give you that pain. Also, the week is around respecting our parents, sharing our gratitude towards them, also respecting all that is around us, being big or small, living thing, be it a plant, be it animal, anything, respecting them. Now let's see what the tarot cards have to say. So there is good news for some. A pregnancy news can be there. There can be self-care. There can be pampering. There can be arrival of a baby here in this week. The week is good to connect with nature. The week is good to be for people who are in this food industry. Whichever way they're connected to food, be it organic farming, agriculture, any kind of food industry, is going to be good for them. Taking vitamin D from sunlight is going to be good for your health this week. drinking a lot of water will help you stabilize your emotions, your energies, balance it. Also, the week can bring in new proposals for your work, and can be love proposal, can be a marriage proposal as well. Some of you will enter the week with the energy of a heartbreak you've gone through, or the week can bring this energy into your life of having a heartbreak. It could be having somebody in our life who just came with a wrong intention. That might have broken your heart here. It could be a close friend breaking your trust here. The week also indicates sign of surgery can take place for some. Also, I can see that some of you are facing a lot of anxiety, loneliness, stretched between relationships. Some of you are doing too much of work, working very hard and draining your energies, feeling scattered energies within you. So here your intuition is going to help you to lead your way out of your problems. Whatever is going on in your mind, even if you are able to see everything, yet you can't decide what to do. And even if you are unable to see what is not clear to you, yet your intuition is going to play that role of a guide in your life. Trust your intuition, listen to the inner calling. Hard work will be paid off. Whatever hard work you are doing with good intention, it will be paid off. The week is going to be busy, is going to keep you busy with work. Some of you might feel that stress in your shoulders, in your neck, so you can do stretching exercises to release it. I can see recovery happening for some who've been from an ongoing ailment. Recovery can happen, and some of you might get more established where they're working. Maybe they'll get promoted, they can be sent to another office where they can be sent as leaders, and you can also travel as a representative of your organization, a pride moment for you. Travel can also be for pleasure here. Communication is going to be of prime importance here. So whatever you have in your heart, whatever is there in your mind, be clear, communicate with clarity and confidence. If you're communicating to your juniors, then your communication has to be very clear so they are able to execute your thoughts correctly. If the communication is about your feelings, then it has to be done with that sensitivity. So communication, if you need help, then that also needs to be voiced out. You will need strength to come out of your past, to work for your future, to work towards what you want to achieve. The week is good for health workers here. Also, certain things, because they are not very clear at the moment, it will take time for you to take a decision or to make a choice. It is not going to be easy for you. Let's see how the health is going to be. So, health is going to be abundance, breathing fresh air, breathing exercises, sitting in the sun, walking barefoot on the grass. This is going to help you. It will help you to give you energy. It will help you to recover any bone issues, because vitamin D is really good for our bones. And it will also help you to feel active and healthier. Consumption of healthy food will be of prime importance in this week. Let's see how is relationship going to be. So there is anxiety. If you can see the card closely, there are 3 windows. 2 windows have thunder and lightning, and the other 3rd window has white clouds. So here the divine is telling you that maybe some of you are in middle of a storm, maybe a heartbreak, a deceit, maybe a parting from someone, separation. But no matter what you are going through, light will shine. Keep that hope. Seek guidance from divine. Seek help from your elders, or you can also take a step to seek guidance and help from a professional. It is a good step for your mental health. So if you do this, it will help you to make better decisions and bond with more love and compassion with others. Let's see how is work going to be. Okay, so we have here King of Cups and Two of Swords. So for some, you might feel low with your energies because of working hard, being overburdened with work. This can drain your energies. Some of you will have choices which is not easy to make, but again, time to sit with yourself, connect to your inner self, take that guidance. Drinking water will help you to balance those drained out energies. Take time to rest also. Even in this week, I want to share one more thing, that if you're consuming food that has that generates heat in our body, avoid such food. Drink lot of water so that your emotions are balanced, your energies are balanced. Let's see, education. Indecision. Again, things are not very clear, but here universe is telling you, is guiding you. Keep your mind calm. Focus on plans you want to bring into your life. Bring clarity into your mind by opening up to your guides, your mentors. Be clear in your intentions. Trust your heart, trust your intuition, and you will be able to make the right choice for yourself. What is the advice coming for you for the week? Co-create. So here, this week, see how you create your reality every moment through your feelings, your beliefs, your actions, your intentions, your thoughts. Keep your heart open. You're trying hard to create what your heart really desires. So work with your spirit in partnership this week. Intentions, your intuition is your partner for the week. Work with it so you achieve best for yourself. Let's see the affirmation coming here for the week. So it says, attack, pain, fear, judgment, and any form of separation are merely calls for help. So this card has probably come out because this week you might be feeling attacked by judgments, what people think about you, on what basis you are being judged by them, or it could be, are you being too judgmental towards others, towards your life? So here universe wants to convey to you that look at others with compassion, love others, and let love flow into your life. So I hope you will use this guidance and have a good week ahead. Thank you. Welcome to your reading group 3. All those who chose the purple colored shell. This is going to be a reading for the week of October 11th to 17th. So how is the week going to be? So here the week is going to be recognizing your own inner strength, inner power, inner magic. That is going to help you a lot this week. Here you are also being asked to fix your intention, focus on what you want to achieve in life, and then with complete determination, with complete dedication and honesty, walk towards what you want to achieve in your life. Meditation will also help you during this week. The week also suggests you to work on your physical way, because exercises maybe are not a part of your routine for some of you. You need to inculcate it in your routine. That will help you to strengthen your muscles. This is specifically coming to me to strengthen your muscles this week. Also, how much are you eating? What are you eating also has to be taken account of. Here, the week can be demanding in the way that you might need help and you might want to take guidance from your mentors, your teachers, or visit a counselor. Do not hesitate to do so. It will only help you to bring clarity and to take the next step in your life. Use your intelligence, use the wisdom that you have within you during this week while you make decisions for yourself. So let's see what the tarot cards are telling us. The cards are telling us the week will have celebrations. The celebration could be an announcement of you being pregnant or somebody in the family being pregnant. That can happen. Celebration can be around a marriage ceremony or engagement ceremony, can be around announcements or achievements happening at workplace. So some kind of celebration is happening. If you are on social media, you have a channel or something like that, you can have an increase in your subscribers. So that can be an announcement for you. Here, for some of you, there is a awakening call that you need to focus on your health, as I mentioned before. Also, how you want your life to go, connecting to your life purpose. The week will bring in clarity that will help you to take decisions in your life, the next step you want to take. It could be a spiritual awakening also for some. Here, the other card shows Hierophant, that you need to visit a counselor or a therapist or somebody who will help you to bring clarity in your life, clear out the clouds of confusions and bring that confidence within you so you can move ahead and plan your life accordingly. I can see that in someone's life, in some of you, in your lives, I can see that some surprise, some unexpected news or information is going to come. It looks like more related to your workplace. Maybe you've been undergoing this feeling that your hard work is not noticed. All the responsibilities that you have, taken care of, the way you have been performing your responsibilities, the way your skills have not been noticed, have not been acknowledged. So maybe this is a surprise coming for you, that all this will be rewarded. So justice will happen for you in your workplace. Some of you will begin learning something new, maybe join a new course, maybe an online class, a workshop, a seminar, something that will enhance your knowledge. Some can begin a new source of income for themselves, a new job for themselves. Now let's see how is health going to be. So, okay. I see that some of you will feel very exhausted, very tired during the week. You will feel your energies are completely drained out. Some of you are very fond of eating, and you get tempted by when you look at food, and that releases that control over your how much are you eating, what are you eating. You might have to work on keeping your heart healthy. There can be some issues occurring in this week for some of you with heart issue. Surgery can also be advised for some of you. So be little cautious, bring in healthy diet, bring in a routine of exercise, maybe taking a walk in the garden. It will help you this week. Let's see what's there for relationships. Okay, so what I said was that we might have some unexpected news. So this could be that some of you are going under this heartbreak. Maybe you've faced it from a friend, a family member, or a colleague, or your partner. Here you have been asked to use that inner magic, that inner power of yours to heal your heart, to repair your heart, and be open to receiving love from others. This will help you to grow as an individual as well. Also here the door to value is telling us that there is new beginning going to happen. Your values have not been unnoticed by the universe, and they will be rewarded. Whichever relationship you are in, or you are going to enter into a new relationship, it will take you towards stability. It will take you towards new heights. So be open to it, repair and heal your heart. For some here, I can also see maybe you would like to, you would begin something in your career wise with your family member or a relative. And also I can see that some of you are neglecting yourself. So self-care is going to be of importance here. Love yourself, care for yourself. You are as important as others. Do not neglect yourself at all. Let's see how is work going to be. Okay, so new opportunities are coming, new proposals are coming your way, new ideas are coming, new thought process are coming. But it will only come if you have felt stuck somewhere, that I am unable to, crack this, or why is this certain thing not working the way we have planned or I want it to work. So here you've been advised to think with a different perspective. Maybe that will generate a new idea, and it will bring that inspiration and motivation, and the idea will take the project forward. So look with a different perspective. Some of you will feel focused on what you want to achieve, the goal that you want to reach. You will feel that focus within you, and you will work towards it during this week. Let's see how is education going to be. Oh, cornucopia. So there is going to be fulfillment. There's going to be good things happening your way. You will flourish. If you've been waiting for a result, it's going to be in your favor, what you were expecting. If you wanted to take up a certain course or go to a certain university, you were waiting for that information, that could come in for you. But anything good is expected in field of education this week. What is the advice for you for the week? Regeneration. So here it is a card of rebirth, a second chance, a new opportunity. The universe is telling you that for any new beginning, endings have to happen. Endings can happen in any form. So be ready for those endings and welcome the new change that is coming into you. You will get a second chance if you have felt that certain opportunity that came your way is dead and it's not going to work out. It will work for you, but you have to see it from different perspective. You have to accept it in your life. The world is based on connections, on relationships. So if you feel that there has been a loss in your life, in a relationship, you will now witness new emergence of love, which is ready to greet you. But you have to first heal yourself. You have to repair yourself so that you can see goodness in other relationships, in the other person as well. So a rebirth is going to happen, and be ready for this beautiful change. Let's see the affirmation for you. Okay, so it says, I am unapologetic about what I desire and trust that what I focus on will grow. So it's a beautiful affirmation. It resonates very well with the reading, because you were told in the beginning, the message was from divine, that focus on what you want to achieve and just move with that determination and trust, and you will definitely grow in your life. So I hope you use this guidance and this affirmation to make the best of this week. Thank you.